Kia ora, konnichiwa. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Penny and I'm a New Zealander living in Japan, studying Japanese. So I've just moved into my new apartment. It's still like there's a lot to kind of like unpack or sort out. I've unpacked some stuff and I've put them in places where I might want them to be, but I just have to kind of like tidy them up a bit. But first of all, I'm going to make my coffee. And as you see that I am trying to walk without my crutches when I can. In the morning it seems like I can do that a little bit more. In the afternoon it starts hurting a little bit more, so then I start using my crutches. But I do have kind of like help quite close by just in case. My room is quite small, but you know, it's exactly what I need at the moment. I'm happy with that. I was looking at a microwave, but I was looking at those ones which microwave toaster convention oven, so I can cook other things in there except for just heating up food. And they're a bit more expensive, so I actually think it might be quite a good investment. I'll be able to put it just over here in the just above the fridge. There's a space, so I'm just going to measure that up. So this is the view from my bed, so it does look still unruly. I want to be able to take the suitcases and put them outside and just have a round table there. Also, I got my National Health Insurance bill to pay as well, and that was a little bit higher, so I'm just wondering why it's so high. I've got to pay, I think, 86,000 for the year, and I think it's like about 8,000 a month. So my daughter's just arrived and she's brought me something to eat. She made some chicken soup and some garlic bread, so I'm going to have some of that. It's nice and hot, so I don't have to heat it up. Ooh. It's looking nice. Well, you know, it might look a bit strange, but it smells delicious.
What does it look like?
Oh, let's try some. Oh, itadakimasu. Oishii. She's behind the camera and she's watching me like a hawk. Every facial movement. She's gonna like. So, ready to go? How do I look? So, I can't really do my spinning anymore, but this is a dress which my daughter got me from Sea Salt on Cornwall. So I'm holding on to the railing, not putting too much weight on the ankle. But yeah, feeling, you know, it's amazing what time does. You know, like I remember when I first came back from Thailand, seeing these steps was so emotionally, I don't know, it was just so emotional. It was like, I just didn't know if I could cope anymore. And now I've just gone down those steps without even too much of a care in the world. I still don't like this though. I still don't like that.
Look how far you've come though.
I know.
In such a short amount of time. It's only been like 2 months, has it?
2 months, yeah. But, you know, sometimes if I think I'm doing well, then my ankle kind of like tells me you can slow down. But yeah, I'm happy where I'm at, and you know, all your support has been really amazing. And just in my dark times I read the comments and you know, has lifted me, so thank you.
I've
Thank
read
you.
a lot of the comments as well, and they're very lovely people.
Mm.
It's amazing just how many people you can connect with through YouTube.
I know, I've made some lovely friends through YouTube that I catch up with, and I hope to make a lot more. So if you're ever coming to Tokyo and you want to say hello, I'm happy to catch up with a coffee. Right, so we're going to Harajuku.
You don't need a medical badge.
So we've arrived in Harajuku and we're off to our keiki 3D figurine experience. I'm really looking forward to it. So it's only 4 minutes walk from the station.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Oh, didn't do that one right. Hito ga oi desu ne. There are so many people here, it's absolutely unbelievable. And it's a Monday, like crikey. I would have thought that it was wouldn't be so busy. That's how expensive it is. What is it? Oh, keyring, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, just look at these cute things. Oh, look at, oh. Oh, I love it. My Melody. That's a little photo album thing, isn't it?
They're a sticker book.
Oh, that's the inserts. This is actually quite a good little area to get your souvenirs. They might be a little bit more expensive, I don't know. Lots of cute shops. I'm not sure if people like walking behind me, I'm a little bit too slow.
Oh well.
They used to be my favourite. Oh, can we just have a look? Because when, oh my god, Little Miss Princess. Did you have the Mr. Man and the Little Miss series in your country? I remember the books, but I didn't remember any of this merchandise. It's amazing. Chatterbox, Little Miss Chatterbox. When I was younger, I used to love reading the Little Miss and Little Mister series because the photos, well, the pictures in the books were amazing. I think my favourite was Little Miss Giggles because I used to laugh all the time. Little Miss Giggles.
She's got red hair just like you.
Okay, look, this one I like. Yasashi de Nami. What's Be kind. $1540 です。
Right. I think it's cute. I love how she matches your hair.
I know. I should have worn a blue dress. Only if we'd known. Okay. Konnichiwa.
Do you need a shopping bag?
いらない。
いらない。は
はい。お願いします。
ごめんなさい。
い。いえいえ、3点で3630円でございます。お支払いはどうなされますか？
はい、お願いします。カードお願いします。
カード中に入れさせていただきます。
ありがとうございます。
1200円以上ご購入したお客様にそちらのガチャガチャプレゼントさせていただいてます。
ありがとうございまし
はい、どう
た。
もありがとうございました。
Just got my purchase and I have a token. It's a pin. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how cute everything is. This is actually a cute, popular brand in Japan. Oh, it's got my melody in there. And I can see cinnamon roll as well. Oh my gosh. There's my one. My cinnamon roll. The bags are absolutely to die for. Oh, they're so cute. There's too much cuteness here. Well, we're here. And it's on the 3rd floor. The thing about Japan, we're on the 1st floor already, so it's just 2 flights. We've arrived. Okay, so we're here, Kawaii 3D figurine. So they've invited me along to come and try and do a 3D figure. So come on, let's go. Ah, konnichiwa. ありがとうございます。私はPennieです。はい。はい。はい。よろしくお願いします。Oh my gosh. Just look at all the options you have. There's a nice family. Oh, and you've got the different sizes along here, what you can choose. I think dressing up in a kimono and getting a 3D scan of yourself is such a fantastic idea.
They get the back and the front fully. It's like a picture image. I love that one.
それデフォルメ版のフィギュア、まあこっちもデフォルメ版のフィギュア。これ写真から撮影できるんですね。
はい。
後ろこの写真からこういう感じ。プレゼントをしたいときはこういう写真。
That's a really good present opportunity, isn't it? You can actually also send a photo and they can do a 3D printout for you.
ちょっと高いんで大丈夫ですか？
はい、大丈夫です。
こちらは スタート。
You only need to hold your pose for a few seconds because the scanning process is super quick. Then you can review the results on the computer. I think it's well worthwhile, and they send overseas or you can come back and pick it up. It's something to remind you of Japan. The staff were really friendly. They spoke a little bit of English. There were so many options to choose from, and they accept all major credit cards. They even had dressing rooms so you could change into a costume. Check out their website, TikTok and Instagram for more information. Okay, it's such a good time. Definitely recommend. So put it on your list of things to do when you come to Japan. ありがとうございました。
おゆっくりで。
はい、ありがとう。
We're finished with our 3D figurine experience and now we're going back to the apartment. I need to put my foot up. I was like, oh my God, the hills, the steps, it's given myself a really good workout. So.
That's a nice way to word it.
It's so busy. It's unreal.
Please keep line and do not stop. 右側通行でご通行お願いいたします。Keep.
Getting there. I am on the wrong side, but this makes it easier to get up. But puff from getting up the stairs. My gosh. Having no exercise for like 2 and a bit months. It's amazing how unfit you can get. It was like my legs on fire.
The trains were so busy. Luckily we didn't have to stand for long. I wanted to try the escalator, but yeah, in the end I just couldn't do it.
Oh, sorry. It was too fast.
We decided after our train journey that we needed to stop for a coffee. So we're just going across the road to a coffee shop there we haven't tried yet.
It looks like a sheep, that one.
Don't the pot plant holders look amazing? They have cats and dogs, and I think that was a sheep, but I'm not exactly sure. We found the coffee shop and we went through the back entrance. I don't know why, because they had a big step there and the front didn't have a step at all.
We could have come in the other way. Cute. Just look how cute the drinks are for the little children. So, mono, nan desu ka?
Cafe latte.
Cafe latte?
No ice.
Ice? Oh, konnichiwa. Cafe latte ice hitotsu. To cafe latte hot. Oh, onaji. Hai.
It seems like a few people use this cafe as a study area as well, because they do have desks with PowerPoints.
Well, this looks nice.
It's just like almost like flashbacks to when I was working at the restaurant.
So we can stay here for 90 minutes.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, that's between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock.
It must be their busy time.
Hmm. Oh, we're taking some pictures. What do you think? Some of them look pretty rough.
I think you look pretty.
You know, sometimes I look and I think we're our own worst critic. You look at ourselves in a photo and you can see all these minute faults that other people can't see. So when I look at my photos now, I see that my forehead's down and, you know. But in actual fact, I'm pretty happy with how my facelift has come to fruition. It seems to be settling down now. All the swelling is just about gone, and just the scars around my eyes and It just needs to settle down. But yeah, I think we're getting there slowly. We've actually had quite a good morning. Well, it wasn't a morning. It felt like a morning because I did get up quite late. But a good day, getting our bodies scanned for our 3D image. Just getting to the destination and coming back, you know, it was challenging. Let's put it that way. And I'm happy that I did it. My leg does feel quite sore, but that's okay. You know, when I get home I'll put it up, and I might actually put some ice on it because it does feel quite burny. And yeah, just put it up for a while because I'm sure it's going to be a bit swollen. But the more exercise I do, the better it will get. So I just have to push through the pain. I was really happy that I could get up and down steps. You know, I feel a lot more confident doing that. Sometimes, you know, a wave of anxiety does come over me when I'm coming to a corner. I think I'm going to fall backwards, but I never do. So yeah, I think it's really, my mind is fighting with the actual reality of being able to do it. Yeah. Cheers. This coffee's not too bad. So this is the Excelsior Cafe. At least we're coming out the right way. No step. But
Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow. And until next time, see ya!
Need to quickly go away from that one.